Yo, you guys, it's Betcher here, and yeah, today we have another Tommy Hilfiger piece which I wanted to share with you. I saw it in the store and I did have to pick it up, and here it is. It's like a traveling suitcase or bag. Let me get rid of all the wrapping really quick so we can actually have a better look at it and see what is happening here. Um, and while I do that, I can probably say some words about it. As you can see, it's all leather and it has some branding and some patterns going, which I thought looked really fancy and good. That's why I couldn't resist picking him up. And yeah, we're almost there. Let's get rid of all the wrapping around the um, shoulder strip, and then we can actually have a look. And here you can see already, and that's what I was talking about when I said there's a pattern going, and then we also got the branding above in the silver ish metallic. And let's actually see what's happening here. So the first compartment has more wrapping, as you can see. Let's get rid of that. And then you can see there's a little pocket in the inside as well. Also get some pattern going on with the TH, which makes it look quite nicely. Then there's another back pocket in the behind, and then the front pocket. I don't think there's much room for a lot of stuff in here, but still it has a good look to it. Then the zippers, because the brand colors, which I'm always a fan of, like all the Tommy bags, packs, suitcases I have, got them, and some branding on the shoulder strip as well. You can adjust easily the size of that. On this other side, we got some more coloration going, which is also nice to see. And yeah, let's remove the price tag really quick. That's gone. And then on the other side or in the back, we have nothing going on. And let's actually see the inside. I assume there's more material, full material, and wrapping and stuff. Oh yeah, wow, that's quite a bit. Holy moly. Let's get this all out of the way so we actually can see what is going on in the inside. And yeah. Wow, gosh, come on. They put so much stuff in here. It's crazy. Okay, well, on the other side, they don't want the back to lose structure and stuff while they ship it out. I assume that's probably why they do that. More wrapping on the sides. Did I remove everything? Nope, there's more in here. Let's get that out of the way and then actually try and get the better look what's happening in the inside. So, okay, it's hard to show in the video though. We got some branding in the inside, the label, got a little back pocket with a zipper, quite some room in here, which is nice. I don't know why that's green, but maybe that's something they wanted to do. Okay, the camera is not focusing. It says Tommy Hilfiger, just as you would assume, but still. Um, and then on the other side, we got another compartment, which is kind of open though, no zipper and stuff, just like this little piece that we can throw over to hold it in place. And that's basically what's happening. I mean, it's quite big. Um, um, Definitely, yeah, nice looking. Nothing underneath, like no feet or anything. I will try to get a better view so you get an idea how big that is. Let me remove my camera quick and get a different angle here, and then that's just gonna be it for today. So as you can see, it's quite big, and I'm really happy how it looks. It looks classy. It's not too much, and that's gonna be it, you guys. So take